What's up, food lovers? So today we're gonna be eating Slap Ya Mama shrimp. Slap Ya Mama shrimp is from Louisiana, Cajun style of course. It has salt, red pepper, black pepper, and garlic. That's it. This stuff is spicy, so you don't want to put too much of it if you can't handle the spice. We also gonna be trying Cajun corn or dipping sauce. This dipping sauce is for seafood. It has a bunch of ingredients in there for garlic, oil, spice like paprika, and lemon juice and stuff like that. So we're gonna be trying this out. Saw it at the Vietnamese store the other day. Had to pick it up. So we're gonna be doing a taste test. All right, let's go get to cooking.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So here we go, guys. We have 1 dozen of Gulf shrimp. Look how big these suckers are. These are big, large jumbo shrimps from the Gulf of Mexico. These are straight from my dad's boat. First we're gonna do is we're gonna clean them. We're gonna just take off the shell like this. Then we're gonna split down the middle. And see, we wanna take out these guts and stuff. Right, like that. So easy. Just peel out the shrimp, split it down the middle, take off the guts. Just like that. See that, Jackson?
Yeah.
Easy, huh?
Yeah.
You like shrimp?
Yeah. Very good or silly.
Yeah. All right, guys, here we go. This is the clean Devein, peeled and Devein shrimp. Now we're gonna set it up and pan fry it with some butter, garlic, after I chop up the garlic. So here we got some garlic, about 1/4 cup, maybe 8, 9 cloves. About to chop it up and put it in the shrimp, pan fry it with the shrimp. So let me chop it up and we get to it. My handy dandy knife here. I'm gonna smash it and chop it.
You missed one, Daddy.
Okay. Wouldn't be too perfect with it. Okay.
Okay.
And then after that, now we're gonna set up to pan fry the shrimp. So we'll be right back. Here we go, all set up with the pan nice and hot. Butter in there. Get the butter nice and hot. With the butter nice and hot, we're gonna put the shrimp in. Just lay it down in there. These shrimp here cooks pretty fast. Maybe a couple, not a couple, but maybe about 20 to 30 seconds each side. Flip it. So you don't want to overcook the shrimp. When you overcook the shrimp, it gets chewy and it's not that good. So you put all the shrimp in. Then just like this. You can flip it over. Pour the garlic in. After you add the seasoning, just go ahead and turn off the fire and remove the shrimp from the pan. You don't want to overcook it. And then go ahead and pour all the garlic butter onto the shrimp. We're finished with cooking, and here's the final product. Slap Your Mama shrimp, Cajun style, straight from Louisiana. Gulf shrimp, Gulf of Mexico shrimp. And we're gonna put some lemon on it, put some zest to it. All right, here we go. Big Gulf shrimp, first bite. Butter, garlic, lemon, slap your mama good. This is slap your mama good. So good.
I don't like slapping.
You don't like slapping? Too violent, huh?
Yeah.
So this shrimp is good, but we're gonna do a taste test with this Cajun corner dipping sauce I found yesterday at the grocery store, Asian market. Came from Houston. It has garlic, pepper, salt, oil, a bunch of seasoning for seafood. This is a seafood dip. I'm gonna try it out. What are you eating, Jackson? Kids. So, here we go. Shake it up real good, they say. Shake, 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 shake. So, smell it. Smell like garlic butter, but it don't say it has any butter in here. It just has oil, canola oil, lemon juice.